Hello watcher and subscriber. Now we are in the part 2 of the abstract keyword in the Java. So in this tutorial we will see some additional feature of the abstract keyword. So before that I tell you one more thing, you have to go through the previous tutorial for the better understanding of abstract keyword. So here we discuss the abstract class containing the abstract and non-abstract method. This point we discussed in the last tutorial also, just take a short review. So this is the abstract class which is having the abstract method, okay, but at the same time you can use non-abstract method also. So this is abstract method, so it is having just declaration. This is non-abstract, so here we have the code also. And then for implementing the method X, you depend on derived class which is extending from A, and then you can reuse this and put the code. Then for running this you have to take one more class with the main method and create the object. So suppose the object of B is obj, okay, so then by using this you can take obj.x, so it will give you the output X, data is coming from X. And then by using this object you can also run Y method, okay, because you know you cannot create the object of that abstract class, okay, because it is the abstract class, doesn't have the object. For that we always depend on derived class. So whenever we use the abstract class you must have the derived class in the program. So this is the point that is important here, the abstract class containing the abstract and non-abstract method. So here the output is X and Y, that you already understood, and the abstract class containing the constructor also. Suppose we are having the class name vehicle which is having the message string, and here our variable is msg. So here we have the constructor, parameter constructor, we are passing the same variable, local variable is same, global variable same. So you can use the this pointer for differentiation, this dot message equal to message, so that value will pass to this dot message will be stored in that variable. And here we have the display method for printing the message, and we are taking one more class and passing the parameter constructor, and here we are writing super msg, so that by using this super method message will be passed to base class constructor, and because of that we get the value initialize, and then we can get the output. So here in the main method you have to create the derived object that you understood. This is the parameter constructor, so you have to pass one value, so that value will be sent to derived constructor because this is the derived object, and this value will be passed to derived constructor. Then super message A, this value is A, so that value will be passed to here base class constructor, and because of that it get the value A, and when you call the display method we get the output A only, so that's your output is A. So friend, our next point is abstract class containing overloaded abstract method. It means that in the abstract class we can have two abstract method and their name must be same, return type is same, only the parameter can be different. So that is what abstract method overloading. For using it, take derived class and there you use this both method, display method as it is you write, and next method as it is you write, which is having one parameter and printing the message. Then for passing the value, here we have the object which is having display method, so it will print the output A, and next which is having one value B, so that one will be matched with this one. So here the message value is B, then you are getting the output B. So output is like that. So in this way your abstract class can have more than one abstract method, their name can be same, so then it will be method overloading concept, and then you have to use it in the next class in the program. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thank you.